Who doesn't love avocados? The fruit of avocados is delicious in guacamole. It's delicious on avocado toast. It's delicious sliced in a sandwich or in a salad. But today we're not here to talk about avocado fruit. We're here to talk about avocado leaves. More specifically, using the avocado leaves as a seasoning. Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome to my tropical channel. Today we are going to talk about using avocado leaves and what varieties of avocados you should use if you're going to use avocado leaves as a seasoning, which ones you should use. If you like this channel, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button, notification bell, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in that comment section below. So let's take a look at this tree. This tree is a crazy tree. It has 4 or 5 different varieties I have grafted onto it. Some Mexican varieties, some Guatemalan varieties, and some that are a mixture of the two. But the type of leaves that you want to use for seasoning is the Mexican varieties. As some of you may know, that avocados are in the laurel family, distantly related to the Bay Laurel or bay leaf. And many of us use bay leaves for cooking. In Mexican cooking, they use avocado leaves for cooking, and they use the avocados from their country, which is Mexican avocados. Those are the varieties that generally are flowery in March, April, and ripen in from mid summer to December. So you want to use the Mexican varieties. I wouldn't use the Hass variety because they're a blend of Mexican and Guatemalan varieties. I would use straight Mexican varieties. And you use it in soups and stews just like you would a bay leaf. The way you can tell, if you have any doubt as to whether or not the leaves are from a Mexican tree, first, hopefully you know the variety of the tree. But secondly, you can take the leaf and you can crunch it up and you smell, and it has a licorice smell to it. That's an indicator of it being a Mexican, one of the indicators of being a Mexican avocado tree, because most of the other ones, the Guatemalan and the West Indian varieties, don't really have an anise smell or licorice smell. So yeah, you can dry the leaves, take them off and dry them, or use them fresh. You can barbecue pork or beef and wrap avocado leaves. Use them as a like a base whenever you put your meat on it in the pan. Or you can dry them and use them just like you do a bay leaf in soups and stews. Let's take one more quick look at this avocado tree, because I noticed that my Mexican variety is already starting to flower. This is outrageous because we are in January, almost February 1st. But yeah, my Mexican variety is very early this year. Wow, look at that. Hard to believe. Get that picture in, that's beautiful. I'm going to be doing a video on avocado flowering pretty soon, on the different varieties and the different types of flowering that avocado trees have. So once again, my name is Jeff. If you like this type of video, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button, and you have a very good day.